All right, everybody, I wanted to go over the markup and markdown assignments. Partly was I found some errors on them in the answer keys, so I wanted to go over that, but also I was getting some questions, so I want to make sure to clear up any of those. So this is day one's markup and markdown. It says the price of a video game was reduced from $70 to $49. By what percentage was the price of the video game reduced? So to find this, first you need to find the difference. So you're subtracting, the difference is 21. So it's $21 difference. Then you take and you divide your difference by the original amount. So 21 divided by 70. When I do that, there's going to be a 0 here. We're going to decimal point, move it up, add a 0. So 70, how many times is 7? That should be times 3, 0, 21, that's 3, minus 210. Excuse me. All right, 0. So again, my decimal is 0.3. We need to convert that to a percentage, and that's going to be moving it 2 places to the right, so I have 30%. That's 30%. Number 5. The price of a computer was reduced from $400 to $320. By what percentage was the price of the television reduced? And that should be a computer still. That's what happens when we edit these. All right. So again, I need to find my difference. And 400 minus 32 is 80. And then I take my difference divided by the original amount, which was 400. So you're going to set this up 80 divided by 400. That's 0 times. I need to add a decimal point, 0. 400 times 2 is 800. I don't even need to work that one out, and I have 0 left over. Again, from a decimal to a percentage, 2 places to the right, that's 20%, and that's how you do that. All right, number 6, Kira increased the amount of protein she eats every day from 40 grams to 50 grams. By what percentage did Kira increase the amount of protein she eats? So this one is one that there were no correct answer choices here. So I have 50 minus 40, that's the difference is 10. She's going to add 10 grams of protein. I take that amount of change divided by my original amount, and I have 10 divided by 40. Again, that's a 0, decimal point, move it up. 4, that's in there 2 times, right? 40 times 2 is 80. Subtract, I'm going to have 20. All right, and then 40 times, I'll work it out here, 40 times 5, 0 is going to be 20, right? So 5 times, and that's 200, and I have 0 left over. So again, you're going to move that decimal point 2 places, and we have 25%. And as you can see, that wasn't even an option. All right, number 7, Sarah found a shirt that had an original price of $29.99. She paid $23.99 after the discount. By what percentage was the shirt reduced? So again, we need to find our difference, and that was 6. So our change was $6. We need to divide that by the original amount. And so here's where all I did here was move my decimal point so I can have a whole number here. Moved it 2 places. I rewrote it, and I worked it out. And this 0 would have kept going, and then we would have had to, but I'm only going 2 place values. So 20% is the correct answer for that. All right, a boat is marked up 35%, that's 0.35 as a decimal, 35% of the original price. The original price was $250. What price is the boat before sales tax? Okay, so we're going to say 250 times our markup, right? 35%, 0, 5, carry my 2, 10, 12, placeholder, 3 times 0 is 0, 15, carry my 1, 6, 7, add them, 0, 5, 5, 8. All right, I have 2 decimal places, so I'm going to move the decimal point in my product 2 places. So I have 85.50, 85.50, and that was the markup. So we need to add that to the 250, and we're going to get 0, 5, decimal, 5, 13. So the price of the boat before sales tax after the markup is $335.50. All right, and I'm going to make a video on the next one as well.